levy. No, it is original as energy sector levy 1%. So when you buy a liter of petrol, you pay 1 cedi. People are doing all the calculations. People are arguing, making a whole lot of noise that, oh, the NDC did not tell Ghanaians that they will increase or they will bring any new taxes. His Excellency the President justifies the new petroleum levy as difficult but necessary. This morning, right here on Sompa 93.1, we diagnose and we interrogate the issues making the headline. My name is Omanhene Yaw, and welcome to Adeakye Abia. Anopay enipa bebre na efrin reba omo kasa ene ensem enyum bebre kwaba ene kila ntia kra kopi o parliament ena your mama dada yo enyum ahodo na minority network ebekwa akosi sei egosi aga na say to make any impact. As I sit here this morning with you anopay me no tie you know say okoto 1 liter of petrol bia a gallon of petrol 4 cedis 50 pesos abeto so and me yes amount for a calculation say I na e-levy wo hono say utsende sika ye 1000 Ghana cedi na e-levy utia 10 cedis and they utop petrol no 10,000 Ghana utia 83 cedis almost see way enjoy emotions a facts no crane say abana short change Ghana for our belly your mama see there be on short change Ghana. We are in a difficult situation and we need to ameliorate that situation. Let's listen to the president.
In line with the dialogue's recommendation to boldly tackle the crisis in the energy sector, Parliament yesterday approved an amendment to the Energy Sector Levies Act and the Certificate of Urgency, introducing a 1 cedi, Ghana cedi, increase in the energy sector recovery levy. This decision, though difficult, is necessary and justifiable. The additional revenue projected is 5.7 billion cedis annually. This revenue will be strictly ring-fenced to pay down legacy energy debt, finance ongoing fuel purchase, and avert the risk of recurring power shortages. Funds from this levy will not be subject to the hazards of the consolidated fund. And the minister is here. I know when money falls into the consolidated fund, it faces certain hazards. It will not be subject to the hazards of the consolidated fund. The fund will be regularly audited and audit reports made public to ensure its transparent use. While initially much of this revenue will go into the purchase of fuel to ensure stable supply of electricity, with the ongoing developments in the upstream sector, we expect to receive more gas from our E&I Sankofa and Jubilee and 10 fields. With also the assurance of additional gas through the West African gas pipeline, we expect to substantially reduce the use of liquid fuels in our energy mix. At that stage, the resources generated by this increased levy will be channeled to pay down accumulated legacy debts in the power sector. With the recent gains in macro stability and strengthening of the Ghanaian cedi, this levy is not expected to result in any immediate fuel price increases at the pump.
I don't your company, your mama, Eddie to Ghana, you say, a woman say, Eddie, a difficult, Nanso, a who here pa. It's said the projected revenue is 5.7 billion annually. And on I'm a case, omutititi. Taxes free and near Masono, it was going to cost the government 27.5 billion annually. And it is 5.7 billion Saba buying chaya. Now can you bonnet? And you probably no fee said a bit. And some are buying no catch that one more a 2 on the say on for taxes for ma. The Tosumienu petrol a pajama a cabibia. And until about the same, Anna, no more, na yama, Shensia dear, Yatisu 50%. Now, rubber for Ajatum no matter so now, Yasa Peja Petronumo. And there's a water 1 gallon 4 cedis 50 pesos na beto so na no na am for calculation say what top petrol like 1,000 Ghana utia 83 cedis more so be 1,083 no and e be call aban ho ye regina paul energy minister e dey about to just say government is racing to restructure the IPP debt. ECG's 567 billion crisis demands urgent fix. Osigana Fontias na ECG sika enta hono and the car also modema IPP for no independent power producers no. It's in the neighborhood of about 567 billion. And also mutimi eye ho adwuma na bibia ekos is it 67 billion or 567? Eh kuku I can't know. Na pachonti de we dia ni mu no e de ade. Pacho is 67. Yando, me say my first copy book amawo. Okay. Importers and exporters demand termination of SML contract. Scrap dubious 1.4 billion deal. Now, sa SML contract ya na deal for Riata call to you. SML contract and a deal for now importers and exporters say 1.4 million deal now. 1.4 billion. Oh, SML only a buying sign ya. Nana Kufa the Obe Kokrano Uchasa contract him. And I don't know why they are calling for a scrap of that deal again. Because my penny job mama buy and mean yes says our contract and that's so. MPs petition police over the Adeakye parliamentary election results. And also so our dear timra.
By the Electoral Commission in order to collect and declare the parliamentary results of the Adeakye North constituency following the 2024 general elections. And I'll proceed to give a bit of a background. Ladies and gentlemen, Ghana's democratic journey, built over 3 decades of constitutional rule, has been defined by peaceful transitions and credible elections. The 2024 general elections were affirmed by both domestic and international observers, including the European Union Election Expert Mission, as largely credible and reflective of Ghana's democratic commitments. Yet, the Adeakye North constituency stands out as a shocking exception. Ladies and gentlemen, since December 2024, the parliamentary results have not been declared, thereby denying the people of Adeakye North their rights to representation under the 1932 Constitution. This is without precedent in the foreign constitute a serious blot on our democratic record. Under Ghana's electoral
GPRT for Subuafu. Almost say 1 Ghana per liter. It's not small money. It be more money yet to say the asset. And you want and rather me supposed to be a year Kwesi Prati Bano. I'm a Prat. Or say I'm proud to pay one CD, 1 liter. And I'm so proud of the obey and Caldine. And Caldine. I'm a proud to say I'm proud to pay 1 liter. Yay! Sammy, me watch you.
Bejo so Papa.
Namosi abaina ye mubukata.
Minia anapɛ deɛ m sɛ yɛaboto kakra mama me ni ka nkyia watiefo ahwɛfoɔ m sɛ yɛda ɛsɔre a na yɛbɛte wɔ mframa mu sɛ ɛyɛ yɛwura ato forcing ɛde akɔ parliament sɛ energy sector ɛwɔ ka bi ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmutua ɛyɛ $3.1 billion nti saa aka no ɔtotototo n'ani a driverfoɔ na ɛsi etua saa aka no ma no enti ɔde 1 Ghana cedi ɛde to akɔtoa baako bi a yɛtɔ ɛyɛ fango no mekyerɛ 1 liter bia no ɔde 1 Ghana cedi bill ɛde to so na no ne yɛte yɛ ne yɛsɛ ei na bibi sɛ ba ɛna major stakeholders a yɛn na fango yi yɛtɔ ne kɛseɛ paa bibia yɛne mu di nsawɔsoɔ na sɛ mode ka bi sɛ brɛ yɛ ne yɛtua moantimantia yɛ nanso po amɔ yɛhu yɛda sɔre yɛ a na mode ba bɛhyɛ yɛ kɔn so a ɛyɛ ade ɛbɛha yɛ adwen papaapa yi ɛkyerɛ sɛ saa bere no nansia koraa ɛna yɛka ne sɛn ahyɛntuabɔ nte so ho nsɛnsɛm yi a ɛbɛyɛ Boakye bi din na yɛpia yɛ ma ahyɛnkafoɔ bi koraa na afei ɛde nse ɛbɛkɔntrol m sɛ ɔmo nte so ɛnam anohoba a mpanimfoɔ de bɔɔyɛ sɛ spare parts ne adeɛ nyinaa nso no ɔmo ne ɔmo ka na aba fam a bɛsi na ɛma fam na afei yɛbɛhyɛ a na ɔmo san deɛ ka foforɔ san ba bɛto fango no a yɛsusu sɛ nka ɛba fam kakra de ama yɛn no na ɔmo san de bɛto so deɛ a ɛnya adeɛ a yɛbɛtumi ate ase ɛma no yie nti ɛno ho nsɛm ɛna saa bere no yɛbobo ho ɛwɔ the offices of GPRT ne yɛhwɛ ɛho anamontu a yɛbɛtu a yɛn nso yɛn ho bɛheha yɛn ɛwɔ adwuma a yɛyɛ no ho.
Eti Samaraba, is it possible say bia you revert say bia the abana yenti mo so 15% no mu yi ana na mema na tena ho?
We are yet to decide, but as I'm speaking to you now no anapaya yekosia na yahye afre ensentrofo ni omadi nkomo kakra enti se minya enkodu office ma empanimfo ye nkobo poi die minti memfa agyenkyire bia ntudwa na emom ne nkosi na ahia onyunu badwu ne de na yetimi asie ginaye a yepese ye de ba bonten beboaye
my disappointed ana
yeah disappointed seriously
Omanhene John Mama say it is difficult there but necessary because say anhwe ya na omantumi amfa saa kwan so no amwa no more anya 5.7 billion Ghana cedis every year. And we are not just say and they better sumukra.
Papa,
Minia,
ye wa Ghana ha. Ena yete say 2015 munas as an issue. And yes, energy sector deka. And intinisa na ekoba ya neja. Omo introduce you energy debt recovery levy. Na omo de beto fango so si entua. Minia 2015 besin there. Ye tia se sika ya ye nya huma ye hunu se sika na aka na eda ho no ye tia 1 cedi na aka 50 pesos eno an se egusu tia besi ne ene ye san kokofa we aba na india ebisa se eka na abeda ho no is this the only way I betimi de tia sa aka no abre bia de nti na bibia si na sa ban ni pesika bia na ordinary a kire the driving sector ye wo records of niama hudo bebre aban omenye aban otisunku aban ahuro abeche mako nyina no mpempi na bo na omape kope niam bia fakoti kwan bi so omabe impose bibi dia to ahyenkafo so na ayeka e dia mayen ni e change your license ni e di way ba yes e can say retro reflector yemfa mobo ye ka ho na just a whole lot enti no ya nhye ni ni ankase ye tiri ho a Minia boni pa na ye no ani ti na ani abre ye ho no
ane ye be twan na mo ne sentrefo hye mo ade mo mpanimfo de betu anim no ye de ho nkomo bio me da se anope
me so me da wase nyame insha
okay amwa samwa na etwetwe nkomo no azante akwaba ya unso akwaba yo Omanhene John Mama kasa o se de asie no den de na nso so ahia ebisi nya sa no ka kire wo mo Dr. Mahmoud Baumia the former vice president to the annual tum se ni ho adwiri no pa se NDC introduce dum so levy na wayi levy Yentie Dr. Mahmoud Baumia
every day and na jo someone in amo di dum so levy aba dum so levy so first no mo se levy na ye di aba Omubeyi e-levy no omubeyi and then omu di dumso levy aba. It is 8 times the e-levy. Omu ansusu anye and then uto 1 liter of petrol 1 cedi no ubetua. Uto 1,000 cedis of petrol ubetua 83 cedis. 83 cedis as tax. E-levy no send obi 1,000 momwa obetua 10 cedis. Omu and then obetua 4,000 obetua 83 cedis for fuel. We nimina more beba. By the time you be do 2028 no Ghana nyina be hu se omutwa ntro bebre mimi gidi se omubeka nkyere se yensamba bio embafa abai no ensiesie.
Okay, Dr. Mahmoud Bauma say mfie nwotwe mfie 9 nru no Ghana for dimrika beka se MPP for mo mefa abai no na NDC for ntro nko a osese sia no se ne kan no o kane na se ka koye e-levy now 2,000 Ghana yeto 10 cedis and now top petrol 1,000 but if you so see na say nje dipa nyina na top petrol bi say hey man to driver no beto free ni ho yaw mami sha say free ho asante yakwaba munya makwaba mami sha say free ho. This issue the president has explained say it is difficult but necessary. ECG owes 67 billion to IPPs. They need to move in and do. But if you look at it, say 67 billion every year, mine 5.7 billion. 4 years, you know, it will not amount to even 25 billion. And now you say 8 million of ECG, you know, cry half. So then, what is the need? But can we also say, yenya ni saa, tumemufo didn't yenya, na kania ni nyungu kra. Mami tiyo anopeya.
Akota mimi fee say Ghana for a betua a car ene ye be huna mani bi ense say ye hunu sana mimi hunu. Akota many free ade bibia efa energy ho ene ehun ne mani ma nyina no ye edema ECG. Eno akwa na me kwa akote se akota ye wo other companies a omo so gridco ema omo light ni bi ema omo supply. You see there's one company called Conclave Energy you said there. So mo distribute power ni bi ti say na ECG. Yeah.
So netco so
yes, netco so
you can say
but you see conclave for no. Akota energy anasa lighter gridco for the ma wo mo no. The ECG for say ye the ma wo mo mu be 30% eco waste na omo ntimi account for no. Ye say nkrofo no de no. I just aburo so aye 2%
waste
2% pay o.
So it is efficiency.
Yes. Akota and minimum ye enim whoever sa company no eyenedia any nipa kura etechiri but akonta menye sure say ombe wo emfidie ebe wo capacity ebe wo ahoden achen ECG ene e bia netco kura na no dia omsuso omo de by na say gradually omo ya perform dia chain ECG itakonta adenti no bi ti baabi na nipa no o mesi apadwuma no
Nasila
yedene ka ema Ghana for ena na ne transformer nyentia yakota transformer ni bia bre no ena yese wo yese ya na sensan woman so no kwa me nkroma penso ye nsesan enya no na poka kire yen enya nyina de ani hui omo sensan po no so omo change huma ni bi ni ade ye de ani hui ya change huma
dum sie
ya change huma a change transformer a change the was ye change edu ba bi kroma sa titim se se ye wa Ashanti South ECG asem na mike yo Ashanti West Ashanti East Ashanti hwan ya chichem se be ya ye benya manager so bi ya hwe ba bi se be ya efficiency ne be kosoro but ECG no ba na e boka emi esum ka no e de bre Ghana fo akonta de ntia me hu ni say ya so ECG no so ache kananu President John Dramani Mahama e be ka kire yen eyisa hwan ne ma no
May first
no ka kire yen say ECG no it's about time workers no should set up akota me no mi onu di one dance say ene opa abandwuma ba ko a ɛyɛ very lucrative say ubenya juma eti omo kaye ehwe omo ya untimi nka wabra wo yi ECG di ato nchen eso hwe adwuma omo ye de magana fo hwe osoma omo de sum akota yesi to whom much is given
much is expected
ye tu omo kaye ye toto cars akese Land Cruisers ne pickups mono ma modamu no it is expected say muso mo be sum Ghana fo yi but anya no no mo ye de maye ne ye so mo so no mo boka ne ye sum de bre Ghana fo ada ya abaya adwuma ye chenase abaya adwuma ye nkukuru nso e yo papa dia ene sa ne ma na dia ba bedru ne o it is about time say aban so esechire line me dem akam say ye line engineers ni either age say bia no mo nya engineers ye the square pegs and akwakose round holes mu but so mo ye engineers
wet their sort
akota ye line omo a say adentina over the years if ye bebreni 30% ye ntima account for 30% ntimo no mo te wono no ye dey what is your plan
come and justify their salaries
that's it akonta that's it and yet to wash
their remunerations
yes condition of service ye de mo bebrebe they should come and justify it to Ghanaians say ade we nia ye akota ne opa apply say upemita ehwade apply say upemita ehwade nipa na sinifie wo sinifie o se me mo ECG krono me be permita de free ECG o na akota hwade o mo de be ye no enti you are forcing nipa no so onko bokro no so who said city no nip akota se nipa no e fa sa frustrations we mu a so de benya meter
billing
be akota meter no kra de ama wo no etimi di 6 months afi na bill mai e bi kra timi ko ECG office ho se masa magi meter me bill mai so ko ebeba so akota it when na ECG be catch say
the inefficiencies way too much
iti sa taxes na dabia afibia ye the tax for
because the energy debt recovery and the PP de bio
yes
say omo di tiaka eno so sa Ghana for ye to suma ye energy debt recovery
yes so dey for
ye do after 8 years e kada ho
konta
e ji says can fa he e ji we no so no adentina Ghana for yem se o ma e ye bi mu because energy debt recovery levy no yeah who soon fast where so ebey we see a friend doom so levy about me to the no there ko wiasia and sika no 25 billion
yes enko see who
25 billion etimi gote 67 billion
akota wo ko pe meter na nyame aye wa domama meter no nsaka bi se be ye ma light bill aba amu akwakotua eno so ejebeden na lipa no mo problem
bill no timi ba na wako omo se twen ne omo ne wa bagay
yes
na bill ke bagani
mo say no krase me bill
no million me entiment ase omo se twen you to come say ne betua 60 okobia o so that omo tim no kana C50
etimi kana teteba na no mu dia no
na me bo
yes
obi on my team in the bill back. Then na 120 million. No go yam shema we say check calculate you know and from so abem tie bia betua 120 o se won timi nya de na kan no my payment plan ma no e bia 80 million bosumi bia betua 20 na me catch you say asante wo kwa akota de fufuo no yes me ba fufuo no S5 yes akrante no ba ko ye 50 cedis enwa no ye 60 emre no utu be dia braburu emre no ba ko bia 20 Ghana 50 60 20 no yes say
50 60
130 owie no say 130 or sister pacho we dem mame ma
teme so
teme nam no so na me ma 100
me de be
my 100 na the board do now so because obusa no at the end ogusu no se pacho account say was 60 or se we was 50 we was 30 owie ya say na just a girl no na ebu enti na wo ka so on so no timi ti so ma wo the boyfriend kra ba ho a onye ne sa
yes
and that's what we are na ma shase ama no
yes
so how come Ghana bill yetimi negotiate bill
yes But say light bill. What you meet and you say be ya light bill ECG the bebro no. Akota no so so ya sem foforo.
And I buy no so amanfo busia no say. Who see that be a 1 city.
ECG boka.
ECG boka. Now the raka senti there for na dwa say ase da bia no. Mo pe easy way of money a. Na mo dey for. Asante mami tio.
On my Adeakye the number kind of panel. Bonibeka is very reprehensible. Say will be say with your one city was through social media no. Governor appointees, you should be doing that.
They are angry people if they don't know. I'm a proud in it. Me and me shall be my Muslim. I am proud to pay 1 cedi per liter. You don't do that.
In the first place, the communication minister of finance, the Becca Ghana for me says that tax net that I'm able to phone us. A idea, city appreciation in Tino. Ghana for Enfield. That's the first communication we can say. You can't say, oh my, say, Naka, yen, a $16 and Casamin can be 72 whatever per barrel. They say, Nam said that, city no, about from 1 to no, yet you are almost 58, 57 or 60. Best at 12 is at Jeffrey so. What you say, ain't you know?
To 1 city, we can't one shut down hard.
No, say, and come on, much and come what you say. The more necessary never form, ever than I ever form. Ebema
petrol ne so ate
and yen kwa yen fili ba se ko say city no anwa forma na gala na ko so dia
obeti
that is why you going to feel say Kodusi state na 4% cities na be ka na ko be 72 so that should be the dedication on my mempo the whole menhwe ho hwe say obi in the history of this world obi na otua tax a obesenda aji say ebia ama prat ni shami mama omo yes anema no omunyan kra they should rather be explaining things to the stakeholder, especially GPRTU, because GPRTU for more abaye mo pese GPRTU for petrol no etiquette ka munum koye dey e koye meeting and then am this policy ba
Montiman friend
mo engage wo mo na dey achi yama ko parliament
anajo the
before say mo ko parliament mo engage GPRTU for no say this is the situation mo feel anything by ye dey beto so na mo my idea we afi na information by us no my social media obi ade awate ase no nya na be kire kwa mfa so enchireche munjire obi because mo obi pa ndi obi a pese obe chireche mama na chidifo ate ase no ene obeka so mampanyi mama we communication student and for that matter some of these things no communication e be boa ma ne ma bi akoso ma kra ma ate ase na me de o my ECG no hwe in 2016 na mama mo dis esla ne ba energy sector level ni ba ye say dum so no ye de ba aba be boa ama say petrol no ekoso ba fomu ye be dis scan to sa ma du ba bia say petrol no koso a ye de be show na ye nte show sa no makan yo afi duru wa by 2016-17 ba bi no afi no mo de no ba be ye insurance guarantee be boa mo de ko hiji loans
na se na be say eno na se wo kofa a finance minister ono oye investment banker de be see no
so
Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund ye de see awa get fund is awa esla is awa eno ntina is see esla sika na mu
ye hu so fa so no
omabenjo mamaja almost $300 million in the esla account. Eba no ye de esi awoa enti sikato esra account no ma ekotua bibi
nti goman na kafu e
obi se esra ho sisi aka sa de we
na kasam ne kasa ka we kan timi ntua bi and sa de we say Ghana for my ye tua toa eye yaso ya na nye yo ba de Ghana for ni say sa for 50 pesos on every gallon no adwuma na e de kwaye no say omanpanyi mama bama amanfo adwen a we etrim say ye tua toa omo de ye de omo pe basa no na obama asho ensampa say sika we by 6 months
ye be hu so mfa so a why would we not pay?
Yes, won't complain but the normal usual thing na aba na ya na afi no obi se me de wa kwa insurance guarantee na wa kwa ji loan e ba sa na botaye na kwa hefa and Ghana for ni any nyi da me bia se na be ye.
Some are also holding to forcing accountable. Mef ayiya okojina honoma omo eye jumedie
already budget
Dabi omo program bi na nsen it is a say na to forcing asema waka or still on there in this year the tariffs everyone do ECG's inefficiency but that is exactly what has been done
so na this ade no so
parliament they know they are na to force catch
na o share president and as a cabinet no mo dwene sa ade we what dey na one kasa se we ankyere omo say it is about time say ECG no omo nya omo adwuma ye no omo boka eni kwan say de ka no
because you told Ghanaians that ECG we shouldn't.
Yes, near the levies, near taxes.
Glorify ECG's inefficiencies with tariffs.
ECG say, Tio, production all here. A 20 again domestic usage in the industries, and you draw about almost 60%. 40% never free institutions no institutions soon
institutions no wakakoda
big Mahama time okoda omuka momutua into so go
CEO managing director okoda omuka
ekosi say ayentia say na airport a whole airport okodu no mantua di
sika opa ECG boss
odum baba yara sports
engineer asante my engineer no shase so nya supporter
no nya supporter
sanse runa institutions no Obapani John Mama and so country institutions no musuntia
na make say na the big mama call parliament
e ko du mo kania Adeakye omutia
says can omutia no free fan buy
maybe a free dia me say fan
buy na this says can come omo
no see me
especially parliament
when they do budget they budget so that money is given to them
parliament the clerk of parliament the bills near the other by say bi free part of more institution
when they go the budget no electricity, water, but they sit on it. No, we say a government institution. Where did they find the money to pay?
Budget now more Canada.
So in the end,
Parliament, no for more
budget. A buying no, the government. Nature's Canama Parliament. Now Parliament.
But when the budget goes and the money comes, it's involved. And that's it. Adati ye peja emu ye ntie nnwuma ekoso parliament ye ntie nnwum ne bi edi kan wo Efia constituency ena ba ko so de kelentia du parliament ya ye ntie kelentia no so see ye ntie kelentia no so manye ho adwuma abusia Orlando league no mawie yes BBSC ababi mo de one foundations ne hwamo BBSC wom amabi a report ne ade o ma mo kotoko share 3 you say I'm going to that first. How many that first? To Omanhene League now say still Sompa FM. I quite to say it has gone to the wire like Italian league, you know.
Zero factor. And who they cause
zero factor.
Hey, and Nations League. They put together
semi-finals Nations League.
Say all time. One until 7 goals, but we see no Ronaldo.
About your tip of a juice why?
Say no support why.